Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Fundrise account verification steps, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Fundrise website. Log into your Fundrise account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the account verification section in your account settings. Click on the Account or Profile tab in the main menu. Look for an option labeled Verification or Verify Identity. Select this option to begin the verification process. You may be asked to upload a government-issued ID. Ensure your ID is clear and legible before uploading. Follow the prompts to select the type of ID you wish to submit. This may include a passport, driver's license, or state ID. Next, you might need to provide a proof of address document. Common examples include a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure the document is recent and displays your name and address. Once you have uploaded all required documents, review your submissions. Double-check that all information is accurate and complete. After confirming everything is correct, click the Submit button. You will receive a notification about the status of your verification. It may take several business days for your documents to be reviewed. Be sure to check your email for any updates or requests for additional information. If needed, follow any further instructions provided by Fundrise. Once verified, you can return to your account dashboard to resume investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.